Okay.
Attempt numero uno. Be forward.
Just the push. Pull it, Trista, pull it down.
Okay.
Oh man.
Numero two.
You're not gonna get it if your head is like. Try doing it like a dog, yeah. Alright, Trista, you.
Oh my god, I don't even know what to say to
I'll
this.
break my back.
What'd you say?
I actually want me to help. Can I button my pants back up?
No, she. No, we're close. She's not gonna wake up.
Oh yeah, this is 3.
4.
Oh.
Yeah, she's tried the side.
I don't
No.
have any else. Nick, can you do it for me?
Nick says put your feet over your head and try it that. She already tried that way. Lay down and do it.
I can't.
Another shock on her penis.
I have a sock on my penis.
Can you do it?
The sock where you get no cock.
Can you suck your own penis?
Yeah.
Try it now.
I did.
Show me on videotape.
See, you didn't see
It's pretty
it.
long, Calvin.
I know, it's like a mile. It's like a mile away. It's
I
like,
can't do
Wait till
it.
your pants,
It's like
wait till his
a-
pants are gonna fall off.
No, ready?
Come on,
Trista?
Rachel.
Just it's from here all the way freaking to like the middle of Foreverville. Like it goes.
That's
on,
why Daniel wanted you.
It goes on for
Daniel, like,
Shut up.
They go on till Foreverville.
It goes on for miles and miles and like forever and even more miles.